Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share my page to Rosemary's open collaboration. It's called Color and Create With Us You Rock Art, hosted by Rosemary at Rosemary You Rock Art channel. I'll have her link down below and the hashtag above in my title. So this week, I didn't think I'd be able to share my coloring page on time, but I did. And this is our page for this week. Let me make sure I can share it. Oh my gosh. I want to share that little toad down here. So these are like mushrooms, and I just made them all different colors. I thought it would be kind of whimsical, and then I colored the frog kind of dirty green, and there's moss on the log, and oh, it's very pretty. I have to agree with Rosemary. I do enjoy coloring with the black background. It makes everything pop, and when you use different colors, it's even better. So that is my page, and then next week's is this page. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.